Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384811382, and today we have a 2019 Hyundai i30 N-Line hatch, stock preference number 4808. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine with the left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tailgate appears to have no damage, tidy rear bumper cover, N Sport type, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, all window auto down type. This vehicle is fitted with black and red leather interior, leather center console lid, automatic type console, electric handbrake type, automatic gear shifter, climate control, dual zone heat, AC controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof and sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel, paddle shift, cruise control, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.